Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. If you're a busy professional, you know how precious your time is. Every minute counts, and finding ways to save time can make a huge difference in your productivity and overall well-being. Today, I'm excited to share with you some top time management hacks that could slash hours off your week. These tips are designed to help you streamline your daily routines and make the most out of every moment. So, let's dive in and start saving time like a pro. First up, quick meal prep. This is a game changer for anyone with a busy schedule. Ever find yourself spending too much time figuring out what to eat during a hectic week? Here's a lifesaver. Invest in some quality meal prep containers and plan your meals for the week. Not only does this save time, but it also helps you stick to a healthier diet. Spend just 1 hour on Sunday chopping veggies, cooking grains, and portioning out proteins. Trust me, it's a game changer that will save you tons of time during those busy weekdays. Plus, having your meals ready to go means you can avoid the temptation of fast food. Moving on to cleaning. Yes, we all need a clean space to function optimally, but it doesn't have to take all day. A clean environment can boost your mood and productivity. Create a cleaning caddy filled with all your essentials. This way you have everything you need in one place. This little trick allows you to move swiftly from one room to another without wasting time looking for supplies. It's all about efficiency. And here's a pro tip: use multi-purpose cleaners to keep the number of products to a minimum. This not only saves space, but also reduces the time spent switching between different cleaners. Efficient cleaning methods can significantly cut down the time you spend tidying up. Consider setting a timer for each task to keep yourself on track. Now let's talk about productivity tricks. These are essential for anyone looking to maximize their output. Ever heard of the Eisenhower matrix? It's a simple yet effective way to prioritize your tasks by dividing them into urgent, important, and less critical categories. This helps you focus on what truly matters. Tackle your high-priority tasks first and consider using time blocking to allocate specific periods for different activities. This method ensures that you dedicate focused time to each task without distractions. This helps you stay focused and reduces the urge to multitask, boosting your efficiency dramatically. Multitasking can often lead to mistakes and wasted time, so it's better to concentrate on one task at a time. Lastly, let's streamline your morning routine. Mornings set the tone for the rest of the day, so making them as smooth as possible is crucial. Lay out your clothes and pack your bag the night before. This simple step can save you precious minutes in the morning and reduce stress. Set up a simple breakfast station with grab-and-go options. Having a nutritious breakfast ready can give you the energy you need to tackle the day ahead. These small preparations can drastically reduce decision fatigue and get you out the door faster, giving you a smoother start to your day. Plus, it ensures you don't forget anything important. I hope these hacks make a noticeable difference in managing your time better. Implementing even a few of these tips can lead to significant improvements in your daily routine. Try them out, tweak them to fit your lifestyle, and watch as you find more time to relax and enjoy life outside work. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We love bringing you practical advice to make your life easier. Your support helps us bring more useful hacks and tips your way. We appreciate every like, comment, and subscription. Thanks for watching, and remember, every second counts, so let's make the most of them. Time is our most valuable resource, so let's use it wisely. See you in the next video.